Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basuraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of marketing management. In previous class, we have seen this is module number 3, video number 8. In previous class, we have seen the stages of, say, purchases, or how a consumer purchases, that is stages of purchasing process. Those 5 stages we have seen. Today we shall discuss about the stages of consumer adoption process. Before going to stages, we need to understand what is this consumer adoption process. The consumer adoption process for a new product is the mental process through which an individual passes from first learning about an innovation to final adoption. And adoption as the decision by an individual to become a regular user of the product. A new product is a goods, services, or idea. It may be perceived by some potential consumers as new. So here the consumer adoption process means it is a process wherein a consumer adopts a product for his frequent uses. This process is known as consumer adoption process. It is a mental situation wherein a consumer or a person want the same product itself for use. Here it is interesting how consumer learn about products for the first time and decide whether to adopt them. Because when a consumer is using a product for a first time, he may be having a questions in his mind whether how would be the quality, durability and other things. But once a person uses that product, if it fits mentally in his mind that he need to adopt that product for his further process. That's why it is interesting how consumers learn about the product for the first time and decide whether to adopt that product. The adoption process of a new product is the mental process through which an individual, say, passes or goes through. Here, the most buyers of a product have some common needs. They are alike in all respects. The purchaser in the initial stage of a product's life are considerably different from those who make their purchase later. Some of their demographic characteristics may be varying. Their buying behavior may be distinct and their purchasing motive may also be differing. To decide the various types of buyers who purchase a product over the course of its life cycle, the marketing experts postpones an adoption process. Here, to build an effective strategy for market penetration, management must understand the consumer adoption process. Here, Kotler defines adoption as an individual's decision to become a regular user of a product. As per Philip Kotler, it is an individual decision, and a consumer, whosoever it is his individual decision to adopt that product for his regular uses. There was a time when marketers would offer their products to the mass market. Under this concept, people everywhere were through to buy a company's products. Consequently, companies were inviting everybody to buy their products by making them available in wider areas. It was it was the most companies to spend heavily on promotion and distribution, most of which were wasted. Here you can see the examples in villages. Even today, if you go and if you tell, if a person goes to shop and tells, give me a, say, soap, and that is the Lifebuoy soap only, because from years together they have kept on using that product. And even now, when they want a toothpaste, they go and tell Colgate. So they have adopted that product mentally from years together. So a consumer adoption process is a mental process or a stage where a person individually decides to adopt that product for his further uses. That's why it is known as consumer adoption. Under this concept, say, companies would target heavily users initially with their offers. So this also suffered some limitations as the heavy users vary in their tastes, preferences, adopts or status and brand loyalty levels. So initially when a new product is being launched in a market, at that point of time many companies give heavy offers and they try to make the person to adopt that product. That is what was done by Jio. Initially they gave free internet to the users, but later on they started charging. So during this free time, people started adopting that product, and now it is continued. That's why it is an emerging network in India. So this is how the consumer adoption means. These are the simple concepts. In tomorrow's class we shall see the 5 stages of consumer adoption process. With this we shall stop here. If you have any questions, queries, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.